Hi, my name's Aaron Hilton. I've been working in solar power for 10 years now. Okay, so we'd like to speak to you today about the warranties that are included in a solar system. First and foremost is the workmanship warranty. So you want at least 5 years of warranty covering the installation of the solar system. That way, if anything is defective, hopefully you can get the installer back out to fix it as soon as possible. You know, things that can be defective is the installation on the roof may cause roof leaks. Cables and conduits might not be properly secured. Work inside the roof space may be done in a shoddy fashion. There's a lot of different areas where an installer can take shortcuts on workmanship. Secondly, the inverter warranty is very important. Often you'll see a 10-year inverter warranty. Sometimes it's product only, or sometimes it's parts and labour. Parts and labour means that the manufacturer will pay to have the inverter swapped out, but they'll also pay for the work that it takes to do that. As you know, an electrician charges by the hour, and there needs to be provision there for them to go out and swap that inverter over. There's 2 tiers to your product warranty with the inverter. There's parts and labour and parts. So just make sure you look at those 2 things, and ideally what you want is a full 10 years parts and labour. The panel warranty is sometimes a little bit hard to understand. You've got 2 components. You've got your product warranty and your performance warranty. Now, the product warranty covers the build of the panel. That will often be from 10 to 12. Some panel manufacturers even offer up to 25 years product warranty. So that means if any delamination occurs, anything happens with the frame, any discoloration, that panel will be swapped out at the manufacturer's expense. Not a lot of manufacturers will do this, that they'll actually pay what it costs to replace that panel. Sometimes a manufacturer will only pay $100 plus swap the panel out. Quality brands will actually offer a warranty that includes what it costs to swap that panel out. The other component of the panel warranty is the performance warranty. So what you want out of a good quality panel is you don't want it to degrade too quickly. Ideally, after 25 years, that panel will be near as good as the day that you purchased it. The way that the manufacturers commonly warrant it is they offer 25 years performance warranty, and that after that 25 years, that panel will still be 80% of its original power class. It's important not to confuse these 2 warranties because sometimes the performance warranty is represented as in fact a product warranty. Whereas even if there's discoloration and there's maybe some issues with that panel, if the performance is still kind of in line with the warranty, then that panel wouldn't be replaced. And there's lots of ways that a manufacturer can get around the performance warranty. So it's definitely not as strong as the product warranty on the panel.